Hello, Professor. The topic of my thesis is sentiment analysis of Starbucks user reviews. As a world-famous coffee chain brand, Starbucks' online reviews have become an important resource for evaluating and improving its services. The question I want to investigate is whether we can use machine learning methods to perform sentiment analysis on consumer reviews when analyzing Starbucks customer review data. Understand how customers feel about the services and products, and identify potential areas for improvement. Therefore, this study uses natural language processing to analyze Starbucks user reviews using text blob and LDA models to identify key emotions and themes. Machine learning algorithms, particularly random forest model with 17% accuracy, were used to evaluate and cross-validate the findings. The results showed that user sentiment was predominantly positive, which provided insights into potential improvements to Starbucks products and services. The purpose of this study was to identify key user concerns and provide data-driven insights to improve Starbucks products and services. This paper is divided into 6 chapters. The first part mainly gives a brief introduction to Starbucks and emphasizes the importance of user reviews in modern business decisions. We can see the user reviews influencing consumer decisions, provided feedback and improvement opportunities to the company, increase brand loyalty, and promote social media communication. The second part is literature review, which mainly discusses sentiment analysis, LDA model, machine learning algorithms, and its application in sentiment analysis. The third part is data exploration. My data is collected through internet search from the website of Consumer Affairs, including text reviews, star rating, and so on. The first part is methodology, which explains in detail the methods adopted in this study. In the first step, I processed the data and then used the processed data to classify the sentiment of the user reviews. I classified reviews with an emotion polarity score greater than 0.01 as positive reviews. Reviews with an emotion polarity score less than minus 0.01 as negative reviews, and reviews in the middle area as neutral reviews, thus dividing the 3 types of emotions. I then used LDA modeling to understand the main concerns of users in reviews. Finally, 6 models of machine learning are introduced to facilitate the verification of emotion. The fifth part is data analysis. When emotions are classified, it can be seen that positive reviews account for about 55% of all reviews. Negative reviews account for about 35%, and the neutral reviews account for about 20%. Then the LDA model is used to conduct keywords analysis of positive and negative reviews. It can be found that negative reviews mainly focus on customer services, order problems, gift card problems, management problems, and product quality, while positive reviews highlight quality customer experience, order efficiency, customer service, product quality, and store environment. The results of this analysis provided valuable feedback to Starbucks, helping it identify deficiencies and make improvements. Then, six machine learning models were evaluated through cross-validation scores and the ROC curve compilation. It was found that the random forest model had the highest score and the accuracy in the confusion matrix could reach 17%. Finally, the conclusion. This study validates the role of the random forest model in the emotion classification task, providing a valuable user feedback analysis tool for Starbucks. Through independent analysis of data, we found the most customers' reviews on Starbucks are positive, but there are also a central population of negatives and neutral feedback. For example, positive reviews generally praise Starbucks for its service quality and comfortable environment, while negative reviews point out issues with service efficiency and product consistency. Based on this analysis, it is suggested that Starbucks can improve employee training, optimize the order processing process, and improve product consistency. This study demonstrates the practical value of sentiment analysis in business applications and provides specific directions for Starbucks to improve the customer experience. Future research can be expanded on data resources. Future research can be expanded on data sources and analysis techniques to further improve the accuracy and flexibility of sentiment analysis. Thanks for your listening.